Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more future videos like this. And also share this video with your friends. Explain what is Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is a program used often by graphic designers to create vector images. Mention what are the latest features in Adobe Illustrator CC 2014. New features in Adobe Illustrator CC 2014 includes Creative Cloud Libraries. It includes libraries so you can always have the files access when you need them. Curvature tool. You can create refined curves and straight line using this tool. Arial type auto sizing. Now text box can resize automatically as you add, delete or edit text. Touch workspace. It provides a touch environment for drawing and editing with a pen or your finger. Join tool. Easily join paths that overlap, cross or have open ends. It also trims unwanted segments simultaneously. How do I create a realistic looking flare? Because Illustrator's flare tool simulates the reflection of a camera's lens. You can use the flare to create cool effects such as the reflection in an eye. Photographers tend to like the actual reflection only if it enhances the photo, such as the perfect sparkle on the hood of a car. Illustrator gives you the power to put that reflection exactly where you want it to add a flare to an eye. Zoom into the area to which you want to add a reflection or flare. Using the flare tool found in the toolbox housed with the rectangle tool, click and drag out a flare in the area you want to see the reflection. If you like what you see by using the default settings, then you are finished. What is the best part about what you do? I have always been interested in art and drawing. I enjoy the process of making art, and I love to be in this field because my career allows me to spend my time doing these things. You can change the width and the length of an artboard after you create it. Yes, you can change the width and the length of an artboard after you create it. Explain how can we create a clipping mask. Clipping mask is one of the most important tools in Adobe Illustrator. It works very beautifully in designs. It is a great option to insert an image in the path, object or shapes. Find below some easy steps to learn clipping mask. First, we make a path with the help of a pen tool or make shapes with the rectangle tool. Then we place our image on it, and the selected image will be sent back to the object or a path. Now we select both image and object by pressing the Shift key and press Ctrl 7 to make the clipping mask. What is scope and uses of Adobe Illustrator? Adobe Illustrator is an advanced basic graphic vector software which is generally used for making vector-based designs like logos, illustrations, infographics, portraits, cartoons, brochures, packaging, and stationery. This program is used by both artists and graphic designers to create vector illustrations and designs. There is a lot of scope of Adobe Illustrator because it is one of the greatest vector graphics designing applications in the industry. We can do many things with the help of Illustrator. It uses mathematical formulas, allowing them to be scaled clearly and rescaled. It does not lose any image quality, which makes this feature ideal for companies. New features have made this software more demanding day by day for the designing industries. What do you see as the 3 key advantages of Illustrator over, say, Corel, Zara, or newcomers such as Artboard? Illustrator's integration and strong workflows with the other Adobe products. Illustrator's ubiquity in the creative world. Illustrator's flexibility. While Illustrator's features set more than meets that needs of the majority of our customers, thanks to independent plugin developers like yourself, the application can be expanded for a wide range of customers with specialized needs. Can we create artboard in Adobe Illustrator? If yes, explain please. Yes, we can create many artboards at the same time. It gives us flexibility in our work. This approach is especially useful when we know in advance that we want a set number of equally sized pages laid out in a grid in the document. To create an artboard, you can click on the artboard tool Shift+O given in the toolbox or click on the window in the menu bar and press the artboards. A panel opens automatically. In this, you can create new artboards, move your artboard up and down and delete your artboards. If you want to make a copy of your artboard by pressing Alt key and drag the artboard. Please explain what are the plugins in the Adobe Illustrator and how they help us. Adobe Illustrator has plenty of tools and features, but advanced user will always find something new and more. So plugin helps to solve their various problems. Plugins help to create new designs in a more advanced and beautiful way. Plugin means to add a specific feature to your software or an application. Plugin applications can easily be installed on your computer. Example, CAD Tool 9. This tool adds CAD Tools architectural swatches to the Illustrator toolbox. With the help of this tool, we can make architectural designs. What you understand by layer and group? Please explain difference between both. Layer. When creating multiple artworks, it's a task to keep track of all the items in your document window. Small items get unseen under larger items and selecting artwork becomes problematic. Layers offers a way to arrange all the items that make up your artwork. Layers work as folders that contain artwork. If you reorganize the folders, you change the stacking order of the items in your artwork. You can interchange items between folders and create subfolders within folders. By default, all items are organized in a single parent layer. However, you can create new layers and move items into them, or move elements from one layer to another anytime. The Layers panel provides an easy way to select, hide, lock, and change the appearance features of artwork. Group. You can combine numerous objects into a group so that the objects are treated as a single unit. One move or transform a number of objects without affecting their attributes or relative position. For example, a grouping of the objects in a logo design can be done with a motif so that we can move and scale the logo as one unit. Grouped objects are arranged in a sequence on the same layer of the artwork and behind the front most objects in the group. Therefore, the grouping may modify the layering of objects and their stacking order on a given layer. If you select objects in different layers and then group them, the objects are grouped in a layer of the topmost selected object. The layer is like a single sheet of paper. You can do anything that you want to make. The group is a collection of two or many layers together. What are the most important tools in Adobe Illustrator and their uses? Most important tools in Adobe Illustrator are as follows. Selection tool. It is used to select entire objects or groups. Pen tool. We can draw a path or shape with the help of this tool. It will make a straight line or a curved line, and it will create two anchor points. Shapes tool. It is used to make shapes of a rectangle, circle, ellipse, triangle, polygon, and star. We can also draw an exact value of these shapes by clicking the mouse. Line segment tool. It is used to draw a perfectly straight line in any direction. We drag the mouse. We can also draw an exact value of line by clicking the mouse. Type tool. It is very important tool. We can insert text in different ways like individually, vertically, or with the path into our designs. Gradient tool. It is used to apply, create, modify, and multiple colors, gradients. This tool gives a colorful shading effect to our designs. Blend tool. This tool is extremely useful since it can be joined to create repeating shape patterns, color palettes, or, as the name implies, color blends between two or multiple objects. It can be found under the Object, Blend submenu and select Blend options and trigger it. Make or Alt Ctrl B to create whatever you are trying to achieve. This tool is precise since it can control how many steps, colors, or repeating objects it makes. How can we create tables in Adobe Illustrator? We can create table in Adobe Illustrator with 5 easy simple steps which are as follows. Click on File menu and open the new window or Ctrl+N. You can select any size of paper as you want. Click on the OK button. Make a rectangle with any size as you want for the table from the tool palette, or by pressing M can activate the rectangle tool. Now we select the rectangle and go to the object menu, select path, then select split into grid. When you select this option, a panel opens automatically. You can type numbers in rows and columns as per your wish and set the number in the gutter box as 0 pixel. As we have taken 5 rows and columns, so a table will be created accordingly. Now our table is ready to use. We can give any background color, stroke color, or type a text in each cell. Is Adobe Illustrator a raster-based or vector-based software? Adobe Illustrator is a vector-based software. Vector images are made up of thin lines and curves, known as paths. It uses mathematical formulas allowing them to be clean and clear, scaled and rescaled. It does not lose any image quality. The edges of each object or shape stay smooth, clean and clear. This feature makes ideal for company logos, brochures, infographics, portraits, stationery, and packaging. While raster images are made up of tiny square called pixels, which can be easily seen by zooming the image. Raster images are known as bitmap images. Explain how you can add transparency features to your existing diagram in Illustrator. You can add transparency in Illustrator by reducing the opacity of objects so that underlying artwork becomes visible. In order to do that, go to Window, Transparency, This will open your transparency window. You can lower opacity percentage to 50% to see through the object or your diagram. Explain how to make a template layer in Adobe Illustrator CS6. To make a template layer in Adobe Illustrator in CS6, you have to follow these steps. Save an image or logo and save it in a format that an illustrator can import from your image editing program like Photoshop. Usually you save the image as .tiff and .eps or a native .psd Photoshop file. Choose a file place to open the Place dialog box. In the Place dialog box, locate the Store image, then choose the Template checkbox and tap on Place. Recreate the image by tracing over it with the pen tool. When it's done, turn off the visibility of the placed image by selecting the visibility icon to the left of the template layer. Explain what is the main difference between Adobe Illustrator and Design. The main difference between Adobe Illustrator and Design is that the Illustrator is a vector design program, while InDesign is used for desktop publishing. Explain how you can export ICNS icon from Adobe Illustrator. To export an ICNS icon from Adobe Illustrator, you have to use the script Adobe Illustrator.icns exporter. This script will directly export the icons to .icns file. Explain the difference between a layer and a group. Technically, there is a very less difference between a layer and a group. They both create a parent object that may contain one or more child objects. Groups are used to bundle artwork that you want to keep together when scaling or moving, while layers are normally used for managing visibility and stacking order. Explain how you can access font stylistic sets in Illustrator CS6. Font stylistic sets in Illustrator can vary considerably depending on the Illustrator version. However, for CS6, first select your text with appropriate font. Then open the Open Type window by going to Window, Type, Open Type. Here you will encounter numerous options like stylistic alternates, contextual alternates. To view various characters, you might usefully go to Windows, Type, GLYPS. List out some useful plugins in Illustrator. Some of the useful plugins used in Illustrator are VectorScribe. It gives complete freedom for editing and customization without a ton of excess work. CAD Tools 5. With this plugin, users can create special grids and draw isometric projects even in 3D. Phantasm CS2. It allows you to change the curves, hue, and saturation efficiently and effectively. Symmetry Works 4. It allows you to work on greeting cards, vectors, symbols, and patterns to incorporate into your artwork. Explain how you can create an artboard in Adobe Illustrator. To create an artboard in Adobe Illustrator, you have to follow these steps like create a custom artboard, choose the artboard tool, and move it into the workspace to define the size, shape, and location. To use a preset artboard, you have to double-click on the artboard tool, then choose a preset in the artboard option dialog box and click on OK. Drag the artboard to the position you want. To copy an existing artboard, choose the artboard tool, then click the artboard you have to duplicate and tap on the new artboard button in the control panel. Then tap on the button where you want to place the duplicated artboard. To duplicate an artboard with the contents, choose the artboard tool. Click to choose the Move and Copy Artboard rectangle to accommodate the bleed. Explain what does the Pucker and Blot tool does. Pucker and Blot tools create the distortion effect that converts an object by curving its edges towards the center or pushing them away from the center. Blot all the while maintaining the anchor points in the position. Explain how you can revert the last saved version in Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator can revert a file to the last saved version, but not if you have closed then reopened the file. You cannot undo this action. If you want to revert, then choose the file and click on Revert. Explain what is rasterize. Rasterize is an effect that transforms vector work into rastered images, often used to make artwork for import into another program. Explain what is scatter graph tool is used for. A graph style that avails only points to show a group of data and then the relationship of the variables to one another. It is useful for showing sets of information relating to individuals. Explain how you can create a table in Adobe Illustrator. To create a table in Adobe Illustrator, you have to follow these steps. Run Illustrator and open new window. Now select any paper size and click on OK. Create a shape with any dimension as you want a table from the tool palette, for example rectangle shape. Now select your rectangle form stage and go to Object menu, choose the path and then choose Split into Grid. Type the number in column and row as you wanted for the table and set the number in gutter box as 0 pixel. Now you have a table and you can set any background color and stroke color. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more future videos like this. And also share this video with your friends.